All right, we're back in the shop. Finally.
Yeah, finally.
Finally. All right, we're going to be working on the BluesMobile. We've had some issues with the BluesMobile, and we'll show you what we got. But Mike's gonna fix it, Daisy.
Yep.
Yeah. We got a big parade we got to go to Saturday.
Yeah.
So, anyway, I'll show what we got. This right here. Oh, here, Mike. This right here is the lower control arm, and the one on the Blues Brothers broke. I guess it's broke right here, right?
Look right here.
Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna bring the Blues Brothers in here, and the BluesMobile, and see if we can get this changed out. We'll show you what it looks like. So, you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Notice this wheel right here. That's a whole lot of car. Ain't going nowhere.
Looks like it's set left side below. Looks like it's set like this.
No, it ain't. Let's go. Got a lot.
Where'd the light go, John? You know?
Do what?
Where's my light go? It wasn't over there.
Easiest paint job ever. Dents and all.
Right up here. It's cracked right there. Split, so that's making this tire lean out more, which is making that tire go funky too.
So we got to take this.
So we got to take this off and all this right here on off.
How's the front? How's the front side look? Is it broke too?
I don't know. I can't tell from here, Steve.
What about the other side over here? No, this is good over here, looks like.
This one's good. It's just that one over there.
Looks like it's been replaced because it's got a thing on it. You fix these transmissions.
That's the reason why the people at the alignment shop couldn't align this thing.
Looked like they'd have seen that.
Yeah.
And we got to fix these transmission lines. You see we got a leak right here.
Yeah.
They're just all
That's the one that's...
miscombobulated. So we get all that done now. We got a lift. Oh, we're pouring right here too.
Probably just a seal.
Yeah, we need to fix all that. All right.
Yeah, rubber seal.
Everything else is dry. Are you ready, Freddie?
Yep. Let's charge this thing up.
All right, we got these off. You can see right here the issue. Well, this broke. And then here's the good one. It's going back on it. Pull pretty hard. So we're just trying to drive that, but looks like it's been replaced at one time before. But anyway, here's the one we're going back in there with. But this bushing come out. See right there. So we're going to have to put that back up in there, get it lined up where it goes, put a weld to it. There shouldn't be no issue. But I just hope this other side or not. I can't hardly see, but it looks good. So we'll get that done and get this all put back together. But you can see where it's actually hitting the frame up here where it's bent. It's pretty watered out, man.
Huh?
It's watered out big time. Let's get that line. Huh?
You just drill them to weld it right like that.
Yeah, we gotta make sure we're in the center though.
Well, see, there's a spot in there if it grabs that spot. See, you can't. There's a spot that sits in.
Right.
Yeah, that's like that. Goes in a tube that's in there, and if you don't put it in there straight. See it in there?
Yeah. This end
What it is because the way that was sitting, it was sitting up all the time. So
Yeah.
that's what hollowed that. That's the reason why that's marked right there. So if you can put it straight in and leave it here and weld it all the way around, lay it down on the bottom here, it'll be alright.
All right, according to Mike. We'll try it.
that guy lay right here.
All right, I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but best we can figure, we've got that lined out where it was at. We've got a gap over here, it's gotta be welded. That should be pretty much close. See, we got it lined out where the weld was at. So, let's get Dylan in here and see what he can do. Y'all were wondering what we were doing. When we got that thing, the cotter key was still in there. Couldn't get the bolt started, so we had to drill it out. And that's what's left of it. If I can get it off my little fat hand. We got her out of there. Now we got to bolt all that back together, but that cotter pin was in there and it was bradded on both ends and had to drill it out. So now we're about ready to hopefully bolt it all back together. Maybe it'll go good from here on out. Always got to be something. Thank God we don't need a 10mm wrench on this. Could never find one of them. Well, it's on. That wasn't too bad. We had a little bit of trouble. That's that. So now, all we got to do is fix these transmission lines that's leaking over here. We should be good to go. What do you think, Mike?
Yep. And the fun is cutting around this.
No big deal. Blues Brothers ride again here.